I'm not a blogger, but I'm just pretty. Charot. So, guys, hindi ko vlogger, so pasensya na. But I'm just sharing this video just in case you wanna check a place near CDO lang. So, bago lang dyan niyan to sa Fontana Blue Cold Springs. It's personally my first time. And for me, nice ang place. They have, I think, 4 pools, dua ka kiddie pools, then na sila 7 feet kalalom na pool, and then isa ka pool na 5 foot deep. So, okay lang siya. Dili kayo dako ang place. Dili po siya gamay. But the place is clean. As you can see, enjoy kaayo mi. Fontana Cold Blue Springs is in Hasaan.